In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Behance not saving changes. If you've been editing a project on Behance and your updates are not saving properly, don't worry. This issue is often caused by a temporary browser problem, a login session issue, or even an unstable internet connection. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a few simple things you can try to get everything working again. First, open Behance in your browser. Once you're on the site, the quickest thing to try is refreshing the tab. Go to the top of your browser window and click the refresh button. This reloads the page and can fix temporary glitches that may be preventing Behance from saving your edits. After the page reloads, try making your changes again and see if the problem is resolved. If refreshing doesn't work, the next thing to do is sign out of your account and then sign back in. Sometimes your session may expire or get stuck in a way that interferes with saving. Logging out and back in gives your account a fresh connection to Behance. To do that, open your account menu and choose Sign Out. Once you've signed out, log back in as usual and test whether your changes save correctly. If the problem still continues, check your internet connection. Behance depends on a stable connection to upload and save edits, especially if you're working with images or larger project updates. You can run a speed test in your browser to see whether your connection is slow or dropping. If your internet is unstable, wait until it improves or switch to a stronger network before trying again. Another useful fix is clearing your browser history or cache. Over time, cached files can interfere with how websites load and function. Open your browser settings, go to your History or Privacy section, and clear the cache. In some browsers, you can also clear browsing data from the History menu directly. After that, reopen Behance and test the save function again. This step often helps when the site loads old data or behaves unexpectedly. If none of these solutions work, your best option is to contact Behance through the Help section on the website. This is especially useful if the issue is related to your account, a bug on the platform, or something that needs support from their team. When you contact them, briefly explain that Behance is not saving your changes and mention the troubleshooting steps you already tried. Those are the main ways to fix Behance not saving changes. Start with the simple fixes first, then work your way through the rest until the issue is solved.